The DermLite MagnetiConnect Kit is the universal solution for attaching your DermLite dermatoscope to virtually any smartphone or tablet. A steel ring needs to be attached to your device. For phones with a backside made of glass, remove the liner from the ring, place it onto the circular adhesive film, and peel it off. The ring may be placed at 30 or 40 millimeters away from your phone's camera, depending on where it fits best on your phone. Precisely center the crosshairs over the camera, select a suitable location, and press the ring onto your phone. Peel off the alignment guide. Turn over the ring adapter to check the placement of the magnetic insert. If it is at the 40 millimeter position, remove the insert, turn it 180 degrees, and snap it back into place. Now the ring adapter has 30 millimeter spacing. Place it over the ring, and it snaps into place. Now attach your DermLite DL4, DL200, DermLite HandyScope, or any other MagnetiConnect compatible DermLite. Ring also sticks to many rigid third-party cases, as well as any iPad or tablet. And for devices with a center camera, MagnetiConnect Kit even includes a special wing adapter.